Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add Payoneer to your Ecwid store as a payment method. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper left corner you can get started with logging into your account, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where in the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started connecting Payoneer. Basically, what we're looking for is right here in the left side screen, the payment section. You want to open up the payment section. In the payment section, you can get started with adding payment options for your website, such as paying by cash. You have manual payment methods, other payment methods that you can find right here, and processors you can find right here. But if you do not find Payoneer right here, as you probably can't because they have not added it directly, what you can do guys is go ahead and click on this option right here that says accept payments with your preferred payment processor. This is going to open up this new website page where you can get started with signing up for a new payment processor. You can see you can apply for some new payment processor if it's not available directly out of the box, as you can see right here. So you can add one customly. So you need a payment gateway name, you need the API docs in English, the credentials, link, and so on. Everything you need to prepare is right here. They show you, and after that you can click the start button that's going to enable you to go ahead and get started with applying. So you can apply with all the info you have prepared and send them everything regarding Payoneer, and they're going to go ahead and probably help you out to get started adding it to your store. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.